going lower and lower. Oh, that's the
Strong wind.
Oh yeah, that's the road lah. You maybe. Oh my god, the airport is so near to the road. Look at that.
Yeah.
So cool.
Oh my god.
So cool. So when you're like driving, you can see the plane next to you landing. That's cool.
Oh my gosh. Super windy.
Because it's in the island.
Saudara puan-puan, kita telah menaiki Langkawi, lapangan terbang antarabangsa Langkawi. Bagi tujuan keselamatan, hendak dihendaki bertempat duduk sehingga
That's the
siapapun
dodgy
dapat
airplane model I told you.
dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Berhati-hati ketika membuka rombongan di atas. Anda dibenarkan memasang telefon bimbit selepas pintu pesawat dibuka. Bagi pihak Kapten Murali dan semua kapal, kami ucapkan terima kasih kerana minimal itu. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Langkawi International Airport. For safety requirement, kindly put your seatbelt. Until the aircraft come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Be careful and when you open your head compartment, you may use the mobile phone once the aircraft door is open for disembarkation. On behalf of Captain Murali and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying with Malindo Air. Look forward to seeing you and have a pleasant stay.
Thank you.
Bye.
So bright. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing?
Taking a video. I've not come down my stairs in a long time. So dodgy. Oh yeah.